Hi everyone, it's Caritha and welcome back to Essence of Polish. So I had a request to show you guys my camera setup. So this is my, kind of work with what you got type of setup. So yeah, let me go through and show you guys what I got going on here. So basically I just work on this small little table. It's enough space, but it would be great if I could get a bigger table or a desk one day. But for right now, this table is good enough. And so basically I sit on my bed. I like dogs and wolves, so yeah, that's my bed. So just sit on the bed. And I work on this sheet of paper, this blank white printer paper for my background. I work on here. And I got my old camera set up just to show y'all the purpose of the mirror, but I'll get to that. But yeah, I don't use this camera anymore. This is my old camera. And so it sits on my tripod. And I got my tripod set up a little higher on these two books. I don't know what type of books these are. They were just on the bookshelf being forgotten. So nobody was using them. They were just on the bookshelf. So I'm using them now. I don't know what type of books they are. But yeah, my tripod sits on these two books. I got two desk lamps, and they have daylight light bulbs in them, so they're really bright for good lighting, And this lamp is plugged into this one. The cord goes under the table and it's plugged into this lamp right here. That's my phone charger. And my fan, I don't use this when I'm doing my nails. I use the fan when I'm filing my nails to blow away the nail dust, because of course I don't want to be breathing in nail dust. Yeah, I don't want to be breathing in nail dust. So I just turn this to face me and just have that on while I'm filing my nails. And then back to my camera. Well, of course the camera that I'm using now sits right here, not this one. But yeah, back to this setup. I got my full view mirror right here, and on my mirror I got this little small mini mirror that I can take off. My dad gave me that. I don't know. It was in his big truck. My dad drives big trucks, and it was in his truck. He wasn't using it, so I asked him could I have it, and he let me have it. So yeah, that's basically my little viewfinder right here, because I just point my camera down on my background right here on my work area. And well, not of course, because y'all don't know what camera I use, but my camera, it doesn't have a viewfinder, so I can't see if I'm in focus, or I can't see if I'm in frame. So this is basically my viewfinder, and you can see right there. And I have the full view mirror in my clothes basket, just to give it a little height so that I can see my camera. And so yeah, that's about it. Oh, and I could turn the full view mirror around and not use this, but I don't know, it just didn't seem right. Felt like it would have been kind of distracting to have the whole mirror reflecting on me instead of just this little bit right here. So I'd rather just use this small camera, not this small mirror right here. So yeah, this is my setup. I fill this up with acetone. This is my little dish for acetone. And that's my setup for filming videos. This is the TV remote, because if you didn't know, I be watching TV while I'm recording. I have it paused right now, but yeah, this is my TV remote. I watch TV while I'm recording. So next, I'm gonna show y'all how I take my pictures, because my pictures, my setup is a little bit different. So I'll be right back. So here is my setup for pictures. Starting off with my lamps. Instead of having them facing this way while I'm working, now I got them facing my little background right here. My little cloth for backgrounds when I take pictures. Both lamps facing that way. And sometimes I'll turn this one off and leave this one on for like when I want shadow effect kind of picture. I'll insert a picture for like what I'm talking about, but basically when I take pictures like that with this one off, this side of the picture is like darkened a little bit. And so of course, as you can see, the tripod right here in the front. So I have my tripod and the camera in front, and I just reach through right here and hold polish, or just pose my hand and just take pictures like that. And yeah, my little decoy right now. So let me move this out of the way real quick. And so my background, sometimes they don't want to stay, so I just clip them on with a binder clip. And the cloth I got from, I don't remember, Hobby Lobby, I think. It was an arts and crafts store, but yeah, I think it was Hobby Lobby. And I just got it pinned on my Shaw University binder. So that's my background stand for pictures. And that's my picture setup. Plain, simple, and basic. And now I want to show y'all all of my little cloth backgrounds that I got, that I keep over here in this leaning tower of nail polish accessories and supplies. So my backgrounds, I keep them in this bottom drawer that I can barely open anymore and barely close. So I got placemats in here. I got placemats for backgrounds. Some cheetah, some zebra, a black one. Some of these I really don't use. Like this green one, I don't really use that. This blue one, I think I've used it once. And I have this, I don't remember where I got that from, but that's a little flower necklace. Not for a background, but just like an accent for holding something in my hand. Some of these cloths somebody gave me because the person that gave them to me, she used to do like sewing. She made shirts and whatnot. I can't unfold this with one hand. She used to make shirts, so all her little fabrics that she wasn't using anymore, she gave them to me. And that's where most of these came from. Some of these used to be a shirt. This used to be a shirt. And if I can fold it right, you can see how how it used to be. Like that. Like this is the torso part and the straps right here. So I just cut it open on one side basically to make it longer. And that used to be a shirt with, but it's now a background. This is a piece of fabric that the girl gave me. I think this was a piece of a dress, and it goes like across your breast. This was a shirt. I think this was, I don't remember where I got this from. I think it was my mom's shirt that she let me have. Yeah, I think my mama gave me this one. And this was a curtain. I don't know where I got this from. I think my mama... No, I know where I got this from. We were cleaning out my grandma's closet, and we were cleaning out her closet, and she had this in there, and I was just like, don't throw that away, I can use that. Let me stand up so I can get more of it. But yeah, that used to be a curtain. Okay, I think my camera's behaving now. Now I'm in focus. I hope I don't go out of focus. But yeah, like I was saying, this used to be a curtain, and I got it out of my grandma's house when we were cleaning out her closet. And that's that. And let me find another, this one right here. This is another fabric I got out of Hobby Lobby, like the one that I just showed you on my setup on the table. That's one. That's one. And these, they came in different sets. Like they came in different sets, but like the same color pattern. That's one. That's one. And this one. That one. So yeah. Those are my backgrounds for pictures. Some of them I haven't used. Some of them I use all the time. Oh, and this one. This is a pillowcase. See, you can use anything, child. That's a pillowcase. Yep. This was a skirt. That used to be a skirt. A little mini skirt. And I just cut it in half to make it longer and open it up a little bit. Well, that's the inside. That's the wrong side. That was a skirt. And I think that's all I got in here. This was a shirt. I just cut that up. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, that's my camera and picture setup. If you were wondering, this was a shirt. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you all in the next video.